If you want your recordings to sound clearer and more polished in Adobe Audition, you don't need to spend hours tweaking settings. A few simple effects can give your voice that professional touch. Let's walk through it together. First, open your audio file in Audition and select the entire track. The quickest way is by pressing Ctrl-A. From here, I like to start with Reverb because too much echo can make a voice sound distant. Go to the Effects menu, choose Reverb, and then Surround Reverb. From the list of presets, try All Mixed Up. This setting is light and adds just a little depth to the voice. If you feel it's too strong, adjust the mix slider before applying. Next, to bring your voice forward and give it more presence, we'll use compression. Head back to the Effects menu, then Amplitude and Compression, and select Multiband Compressor. Pick the Broadcast preset. This balances out the highs and lows so your voice doesn't sound too thin or too boomy. Once you preview it and it sounds good, click Apply. That's really all it takes. Thanks for watching.